Hey, good morning, everybody. Oh, it's real early here in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I'm getting my boots on. Still haven't put my teeth in, by the way. Is anybody out there watching? I love you all. Me and Teresa was going to ride up to Fayetteville today. She's not up to it today, but I'm going to go ahead and ride up there and spend a few hours. See some motorcycles and some motorcyclists and bikers, and should be a great day. The weather's going to be perfect. Actually, it's going to be too hot by this afternoon, but riding up there, it's going to be nice. But all interstate travel, I hate it. Travel on interstates. Them truckers are crazy around bikers. But it's going to be a beautiful day. I hope everybody out there is having a good day. And if you're not, well, try to find something positive in the day. You know, this is the day the Lord made, and it is great. Yeah, I'm putting my boots on. I'm still getting dressed. I'm going to be wearing my shirt and my vest. And all you people worried about me putting my pins on another jacket or something like that, I don't need another jacket. I just need to know where to put them on my cut that I have. And it's just sort of, you know, the proper arrangement and things like that. But I'll take my time on it, just like I took my time on putting my patch collection on and everything. And it's sort of me being self-centered, talking about those things is really something I shouldn't even talk about. You know, what's on my cut and this and that and everything makes me think I'm too important. I'm not important at all. What's important is the man that is above, and that's our Father in heaven, and that we get out there and we let everybody know about the love of Jesus Christ. And if you don't know Jesus Christ, you need to reconsider your choice about if you should follow him or not. Well, anyways, I'm going to get off here. I'm going to go put my teeth in. You know, retirement's been really beautiful. Then I'm going to go downstairs. I'm going to fire up St. Michael and head up the highway, head northwest to Fayetteville, spend a few hours there, and come back here and be with my beautiful wife this evening. But everybody out there, you just do what you need to do, you know, to have a great day, because I wish all the blessings on you for the day, and I ask you all to pray for me while I'm on the highway, because it's about a 3-hour drive up, a 3-hour drive back, and I'm crazy just to run up there for 2 or 3 hours or so and then run back. But anyway, that's me. I'm Benny, and that's the way I've always been. And anyways, God bless you all. I love you, and I'll be posting pictures of some really cool motorcycles and people I meet, I hope. God bless you all. Have a great day. Now, how do I stop this thing? Well, I made it to Fayetteville. Thank you all who prayed for me that I got here okay. As you can see, the bikes are here. We're down at the stadium right now. We're going to go check out the vendors. It's just a day trip anyways. A little bit later, I go down to Nicholson Street and see the parade of bikes going up and down. Hope to see a lot of really great looking bikes. believe I'm live now. Well, I made it up to Fayetteville. Went down to where they had the motorcycle demonstrations and things, and I test drove a trike, street mob, and that Sportster Roadster. And now I'm on Dickinson Street, and